We have less than 24 hours to finish a $70,000 build on a brand new 2025 M3. We have to finish the wrap, finish the tuning, finish the carbon, finish the headliner. We have to finish a lot of things.
Do you think you'll be able to have this project done, or what do you think?
I don't know, it's gonna be hard because it's the ADRO bumper, it's PPF, and the ADRO bumper was primered, so it's a little tough. We're gonna see if we could bang it out.
You think the ADRO bumper is one of the hardest ones to PPF?
I think it's one of the hardest to wrap in general. PPF just makes it 10 times worse.
Ha sido un día demasiadamente pesado,
Estresante.
estresante, pero con la satisfacción que el customer de este carro va a quedar happy.
Oh, 100%.
Ya estamos terminando lo que son la instalación de los intake. Ahorita vamos a proceder con el siguiente paso, que es de la instalación del carbon hood.
Shiny.
Surprise.
¿Si pesa o no tanto?
Maybe 30 libras. Está good. Clean.
Es double sided, sí.
Quedó perfecto. Perfect. Look at this. It's perfect.
See the lines right here? They line up perfectly.
¿Sabes por qué? Que lo puso daddy.
Let me show you guys the quality of the headliner that we did on this car right here. My biggest pet peeve when it comes to the headliner is if you pass your hand and you could feel it, that's a no-go for me. I will not release the car. I want you guys to take a look. I could freely pass my hand nice and smooth around the whole entire headliner and I can't feel anything. We also did do the change to Alcantara. This is what I like to call beauty right here. We installed the Rev 2 controller. We installed the port injection rail with the injectors. We installed these beautiful dry carbon Project Gamma front mount intakes, side skirts, diffuser, carbon fiber hood. We finished the wrap on the front bumper and we're about to put it together and install it. Once that's done, it'll get transferred over to our tuning department. We'll go ahead and dial in the Flex Fuel Full 85 tune. This car is almost complete. Last minute, customer did add a carbon fiber trunk to the list, so we're about to install it right now. This build has officially come to an end. Everything that we were supposed to do is installed on the car and it looks absolutely amazing. We're doing the last and final step, which is seeing how much power this car puts down on the dyno. Performance wise, this vehicle received our S58 Plus package, which does include the new Rev 2. It has upgraded port injection, upgraded stage 2 low pressure fuel pump. We paired it with Project Gamma dry carbon fiber intakes to complement the wrap, full ADRO kit with the carbon fiber. We also did our stance package and so much more, guys. This car received a little bit of everything we offer here at PQ Performance. So with that being said, let's go ahead and turn on the fan and see how much power this baby puts down. So a very common question that we do get asked is, how do you guys put these all-wheel drive cars on your rear-wheel drive dyno? Our dynos are hub dynos that get mounted strictly to the rear wheels of the car. So we put the car on dyno mode and we disconnect the transfer case of the car. With that being said, the car turns over to rear-wheel drive and we're able to measure how much power it puts down. So let's go ahead and do the pull and see what we're looking at right now. 800. That's way more than we've actually ever seen, to be honest.
So with this new Rev 2, it's pushing new power?
It's pushing a lot more power for sure. Previously, the only way to control the port injection of these cars was using motive, and right now with the Rev 2, we're seeing a lot more power than before. So the car performs great, everything looks good. With that being said, let's go ahead and turn it in.
The dry carbon look good on the intakes too.
It matches the color of the car.
Yeah, that's sick.
Damn, it looks amazing, bro. Like the ADRO look fire, amazing.
You better look at the trunk.
Damn.
Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, that's crazy. That's tough.
Dude.
Yeah, that's crazy. The ADRO too. Yeah, that's. I'm so glad I went black too.
What made you go like the full ADRO kit and the colors?
I wanted an M3 forever. That's what I told them when I got here. Like when they first came out, the front grill was not it. Like, but then after 3 or 4 years, it grew on me. Even stock front grill was like, oh, okay, it's not like horrible or anything. But I didn't want to do like CSL front.
Yeah, CSL.
Yeah, I didn't want to do that.
Yeah.
Like.
We'll start it so you can hear the way it sounds.
Okay.
Like exhaust.
That's gonna help a lot. That's gonna help so much.
You drove all the way from Reading or you up to Q Sauce?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I would drive from New York to get to PG.
No way.
Yeah, I didn't trust no shops in my town. Plus, no shops are like a one-stop, like stars, like everything. You'd have to take it to 10 different shops to do what you could do it like under one roof. So that was the main thing. I was like, I didn't want to go here, there. I'm like, bro, do it all. Oh yeah.
So we did the transformation from the soft top to Alcantara, and then you have two controllers. So one of them is kind of for like the lights, and then this is for the shooting stars. So like what mode you want it on.
Oh, and bro, I don't need to be like this car.
It is not the same car at all, bro. This thing is amazing. Let me have the guys bring it down from the dyno so we can go test on the tree.
That is crazy. Oh, the intakes is crazy.
Sounds crazy, huh?
Yeah. That is a little Yeah, that's ridiculous.
There's a anti-lag that you use with this button right here.
Okay.
You hold it halfway up,
Okay.
full throttle it. And like it'll do like a launch control while you're driving.
But just let go of it as soon as you punch it.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. So you let go of this. Try to do a little better. You do have to be above like 3,500 RPM.
Okay.
You just
Okay.
punch the
Okay.
gas halfway up. Insane. And then if you don't want to like do like the paddle shifters or like mess around with the gears, you just put it on drive, turn the transmission all the way up to the highest to get like the best performance.
Okay.
And you can literally like just punch it. It just got like way torquey, like torquey as fuck, you know?
Yeah.
Super torquey. Nice and consistent, like it just moves.
Yeah. It don't feel like sketch or nothing.
The Rev 2 launch, it spins a lot. Yeah, you do it from first, so you just put it on drive, and then you'll see the RPMs drop. Your left foot on the brake, throttle all the way.
Okay. That feels good. That
Nice,
feels
huh?
fucking crazy, yeah.
Torquey.
Yeah, it is. That's what I like too. Like that's the funnest part to me. Those torque just hit. All my boys got like D8 scat, so like yeah, it's like used to the torque. Like yeah, they've been talking shit for like 3 months. I was like, oh wait, bro, just wait. Yeah, literally.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, that's probably the intakes, and that is like that's perfect too. It's not like too much. Like nah, that's exactly what I wanted. Yeah, it's nuts. Especially in like once we go back home, this is gonna be the nastiest car in town. It's like,
It is, literally.
we're gonna be hurting a lot of feelings.
Is there a lot of street racing up there or not really?
A lot of shit talking, but slow shit.
A lot of
Like,
street racing.
yeah, street racing. Hell happy, thank you, bro. I
thank
appreciate you guys. As a reputation, the YouTubes, it's like, it's more than just kicks too. You see the name kind of
Yeah, I mean,
all over the place.
we have
So
some pretty fast stuff out here right now.
I see all the dig videos. That Travis concert was like no other shop's really doing it like that, you know. They ain't doing that type of shit, you know.
If you ever dig race this car, I'm sure like you're fucking up 90% whatever's out there.
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's like 100%. We got a spot. We had like the dude pull up with like stuff on trailer, like old Fox bodies pushing like 12 to the wheel and stuff. But
Oh, really?
of course it was like, but this was getting built. But it's like it doesn't even matter on that. It's like I don't want to be cocky, but I'm lining up with whoever, bro. Like anybody can get it, really, especially from a dig or I really don't care. I don't care about losing or nothing about that. I'm just in it to like have fun. Yeah, bro. It doesn't even have to get money races, nothing.
Stomp the brake all the way and then full throttle.
Yeah, everything dead up there, really.
Bro, this thing off a dig is nasty, bro.
Yeah, that was crazy.
The homies from SDL brought us yet another one of their cars. This is their Mansory Kit Urus. Beautiful car. Came in for some carbon fiber intakes and potentially our stage 2 tune for this car. This Urus right here is crazy. Just wrapped up the Urus for the homies from SDL. We did our stage 2 tune on it, transmission tune, and the carbon fiber intakes. So hopefully he likes it. He's here to pick it up, and we'll see the outcome of that.